lamang po yung mga kids, hindi lamang po yung mga recitalists and fully dressed. As they say, dressed to kill. I could also see the parents being so dressed so gorgeously today. So palapakan po natin ang bawat sa atin. Mga parents, para po tayo nasa red carpet sa recital, ano? Para din kayo mag-recital. Also, the lolos and the lolas naka-dress to kill din. Asan ang mga lolas and lolas? Ayaw, mami. Okay. Just like the three kids said, we're about to dish out the first set of minor awards. But for meantime, we'd like to call in the award presenters, Alain, Nika, Zaya, Rachel, Vicky, and Ginger. Mga presenters. So take it away, ladies.
This year's recipient of the Best Dancer Award is Recital of Alcala, Pangasinan. The Best in Field 2013 is from the Bupan. Sino kaya? Dandaran, Miss Charmaine Lay O.Ang of Lingayen. Now, let's move on to the recipient of the Best Performer in Sison. From Villages Branch, Gerald Ray H. Aguinaldo.
We have some more awards. Are we done? Girls, are we done? Are we the last? Ladies and gentlemen, our recipient of the first round of minor awards, Congeniality, Ron Alessandra Sago, Most Behave, Ayan Daniel. Okay. Once again, a round of applause, please, para sa ating first recipient. How are you? Are you still up, children? Yeah. Parents, are you still up? We have some coffee back there in case you need some. Okay? Pwede po magkape? Unlimited? I know your pockets are limited as well today. Okay! Tuloy na ba natin? I can't hear you. Ituloy na ba natin?